Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to share with you some helpful tips for organizing your proof of investment for anybody that plans on applying for an E2 visa. So if you're interested in applying for an E2 investor visa, I think that you're going to find this video very helpful, so make sure to stick around. Hey everyone, my name is Michael Ashuri and I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Los Angeles, California. At my law firm, we work with clients from all 50 states and worldwide. And one of the services that we work on quite a bit is the E2 investor visa. The E2 visa is a tremendous option for people to come to the United States and operate their own business and really have their shot at achieving the American dream. So in this video, like I said, I wanted to share with you some helpful tips on tracking your investment. Now, the E2 visa is an investment-based non-immigrant visa. It requires you to invest a substantial amount in a U.S. business, and your likelihood of success on your application is largely dependent on proving to the immigration officer that you have made a substantial investment. Well, how do you go about documenting the fact that you made an investment? Ultimately, the goal is to be as clear and simple as possible. So everybody's case is unique, and not every case falls under the same exact specific protocol. But generally, what I like to see for many of my clients is that the first thing that you do is you set up your business, your LLC or your corporation, and then you open up your business bank account. Now, once you have a specific bank account for your business, the goal is to transfer your investment funds from your personal account into the business's operating account. So once your funds are transferred into the business's operating account, then you begin spending those funds towards your business, towards your inventory, towards your supplies, towards your marketing costs, towards all of the things that you need for your business. So here's the key. As you're spending those funds from your business account, you want to save all the receipts of the transactions that you're making, and you also want to have printouts of all your bank statements documenting those funds leaving your account. So you want to have a combination of the receipts for each of the individual transactions, and you also want to have your bank statements that reflect all those transactions as well. And in addition to that, best practice is to keep a ledger for yourself for all of your business expenditures. This is going to be a tremendous help for your immigration attorney to be able to document all of your individual transactions and to identify what the aggregate amount is for your overall investment. So you should have a spreadsheet of some kind that identifies all of your individual business expenditures that you've made towards your overall E2 investment. And ideally, you should organize these based on the different aspects of your business. For example, you should have a separate section for inventory, a separate section for marketing costs, a separate section for perhaps your lease, a separate section for your insurance or whatever it is that's specific to your business. Keeping an organized spreadsheet that's broken down by investment type, by the different aspects of your business, is going to be very helpful for you, and it's going to be very helpful for your attorney as well when they are compiling and constructing your case and making the argument before either USCIS or the specific consulate that you're going to be applying at that you have made a substantial investment. So I hope you found this pointer helpful. If you know anybody that can benefit from this information, I welcome you to share this video with them. We're all about empowering you with knowledge, so the more people that can watch this video that can benefit from this information, the better. As always, thank you so much for sticking around and tuning into this video, and I'll see you on the next one.